Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do something different actually. So we are going to use the MCP protocol or test the MCP protocol in Postman. So let's see how you can do that. So first you have to go to the MCP protocol.io where this is the official website actually. And if you click on the Python SDK, you can set up the Python MCP server, or you can use the TypeScript MCP server, whichever is favorable for you. Once you set up the server, you can go into the cloud and see if the server has been set up properly. You can see the server has been set up properly and all my functions are over here. So now how will we use that? So before that, I want to go to the file and show you what are the functions that we have on the MCP file actually. The add function, which is pretty straightforward, the sub function, the get countries flag code, which is a API request, which I have shown in my previous video with the TypeScript actually, how to request APIs, and another function, get countries flag images. So these are the four functions. Now if you go into the Postman and if you click on the new, you can see there is a MCP and the logo tells everything. So if you click on this, you get the stdio and the http. The stdio is the actual input and output process. So how will you call that file? If you go into the cloud, if you go into the file, in the settings, in the development, and you can see this is actually running the file. Okay, uv run with this. So if you run the same commands on the Postman, it will get run. So I'm just running the same commands with the file in quotation. That's all. If you connect, you get all the functions over here. Now let's test some of the functions. 10, 5, run, 15, sub, 15, 5, 10. So this is a get function. It does not require a parameter. So it gives you the result. Get country flags, it gives you the results. So this is pretty straightforward. But what is the advantage over here? The advantage is before you deploy your MCP server, you can test all your APIs. I will be sharing all the details on the description. If you do like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.